Sorry guys, I fell asleep waiting for my GoPro to delete all my footage I have transferred to my computer. It's a process. I had to go through my little screen on my GoPro and delete all of the video that I had on here from probably a couple months ago, but that's what you gotta do. This is my mirror. I take it off. See, look, you guys can see how beautiful you are. We're gonna paint them. Bet you can't guess what color. White. So, I'll show you how to take them off on these 90s Fords. Take the door panel off. There's a bolt here. And then 2 screws over here. And that's, you just jiggle it out the door. Just take your T20 and turn. Just remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Not gonna show this one because the mirror's in the way. So I'm nice and loose now. And you come in here and I'll take the door panel off, which seems like it's already about off. That panel came off harder than the other one. Now, you just take this. If I can find my 8mm. A long bolt. Just like that, magic. Now we tape off the mirror with some masking tape and we get to painting. They don't really need primer because they're plastic, but they do need at least wipe down because they're a little bit dirty. They're all taped up and ready to go. Now we just gotta get the paint. There we go. shake that all the way down to the shed and we'll be good to go. I think I'm gonna hang them from up there. I gotta find some string though. Bungee cord should work. I think so. You think I can do this one-handed? Did not think I could do that. That should work. It's about painting level. Let's try this. I think that'll be all right. First coat, not too heavy. Back in the shed. The mirrors are looking good. What the? My GoPro's upside down. I think the camera will flip it though. Well, I forgot to mention, you gotta do what you gotta do. I found shoestring. But I have the bungee cord still. But you gotta do what you gotta do, guys. Just remember that. I think I can throw one more coat on these, and then I'll probably be ready to go back on the truck after they dry. I think I got 3 coats on these, and they're looking pretty good. That one's over there twirling around like a ballerina. I guess it does its thing. And then I think I got it. Pretty good. We'll see how it turns out. The mirrors are done. Time to put them back on. Oh, it is going in. That's in. Now we just put these on. Maybe, if I can do it one-handed. No. I'll come back to you guys when that's done. Just like that, the mirror's back on. Pull all this tape off. We're good to go. I think it looks sweet. It's my truck though, I should be able to say that, right? Boom, second one's on. Pull this tape off. Just like that. Brand new mirrors. That will conclude this episode of me spending way too much money on my truck. Peace.